A beautifully designed big software offers instant access to $200 to $700 in real passive income. Even more important is the fact that it is free and doesn't require a computer. You may start making money right away by visiting this website, registering in only 5 seconds, and activating the app on your smartphone without having to download anything or install anything. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. Let's start the video. Before we use this new money-making program to make all of this money, I want you to visit another website, indigitalworks.com. This store offers a huge selection of PLR products that are of the highest caliber. The phrase, private label rights, PLR, describes the right to resell and download particular ebooks, programs, movies, images, templates, and articles on other platforms. You can access this website and get these things without paying anything. Just a quick introduction to indigitalworks.com. These are all the free ebooks that may be downloaded. On your computer or phone, you can easily download hundreds of different books with just one click using a number of methods. In addition to literature, this website also offers a number of free video downloads. First, we'll create an account on indigitalworks.com. You will be taken to this page when you click the Register button. Free ebooks must be downloaded as the initial step. Re-uploading those files into this new, money-making program will allow you to earn a sizable passive income every day, and occasionally even every minute, as we move on to step 2. Now that we've reached stage 2, I want you to visit UpForever.org, a brand new money-making website. You can freely upload and share a wide range of files online using this platform. Let me briefly describe the concept behind this website. They'll pay you each time someone downloads one of your files. You can see that UpForever will pay you $1 for each 1,000 downloads made using your account. As a result, you might earn $3 to $7 for every 1,000 downloads. For instance, you can earn up to $7 if consumers from Tier 1 countries download your content. Which nation is in Tier 1? They are nations that resemble the US and Canada. You can earn more money if people in these nations download your free ebooks. Additionally, when they update their account on this website, you can earn more money. That is a fantastic way to make passive income. Several payment options, such as Payoneer, Neteller, Payza, Bitcoin, PayPal, Neteller, and Perfect Money, are available for withdrawal once you've earned some money. Simply put, there are a ton of different ways to pay. When you click the symbol in the top right corner, this bar will appear. You'll see some cautions when you click this Upload Files button because it will take you to this page. By scrolling down below, you may upload your file to the UpForever dashboard. Again, because these PLR products are copyright-free, this is completely legal and cost-free. The ebook we just downloaded might be selected from that list once we click this button to choose the file we wish to upload. Many people earn passive income in this way each day. That's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button.